Ana Marie Falcon, born September 17, 1980 in Las Piñas, Philippines, known professionally as Francine Prieto, is a Filipino actress, fashion model, and radio DJ. She is of Chinese Filipino and Norwegian descent. She has been dubbed the Sensuality Queen by Philippine media due to early appearances in daring roles for shaky films. Prieto studied BS Psychology at Edimson University, but was unable to finish her degree when she joined show business. Prieto began her career in the entertainment industry at an early age when she entered Eat Bulaga's Little Miss Philippines in 1988 before becoming a member of That's Entertainment. In her teen years, she showed the makings of a high-profile model and ventured into the modeling industry. At 13, she was fielded in the Elite Model Look Search Philippines 1994 and emerged as one of the finalists, where top model Linda Evangelista flew to Manila to judge the search. Prieto, then known as Ana Marie Falcon, did ramp modeling and photo shoots with her stunning Eurasian features towering at 5 feet 10 inches. A professional model at 14, she joined Body Shots Philippines and finished as the runner-up. Joining the competition opened more opportunities for her in the modeling world for years. Prieto represented the Philippines at Miss Southeast Asia Peninsula International, where she finished second runner-up. In 2003, she entered Binibining Pilipinas, but managed to only crack the top 12 despite doing well in the competition. Prieto then screened as a candidate for Mutia NG Pilipinas 2003, but eventually dropped her plans of entering after being offered a contract by then giant production outfit, Shaky Films. Prieto was the cover girl for FHM on 3 occasions in November 2003, October 2006, and Volume 3 of its annual edition, The Girls of FHM, and was constantly featured on their 100 Sexiest Women list. In 2010, Prieto became the model and face of Ever Bellina Cosmetics. Being a former cast member of That's Entertainment, Prieto appeared in her first TV project entitled Criselda on ABC. Prieto did several daring roles for Seika Films together with Diana Zubiri. Her biggest break came when she played Queen Avria in Etheria, the second book of Encantadia. She has also done comic roles in Bubble Gang, where she became one of the mainstays. Around the same time, she played Queen Koran, a villainess in Kamandag, and a supporting role in Kada Name, Acero as Arena. In early 2009, she played Sheila, one of the villains in Aangi Babang Hinagat Sa Aking Tadyang. In the same year, she continued playing villainous roles in Mars Ravello's Darna as Lucifera Aangi Babang Tuid, alongside Marian Rivera in the titular role. After being with GMA7 for several years, she terminated her contract in 2010 and switched to rival network ABS-CBN, although was non-exclusive. Her first role was Mrs. Smith in Kung Teo y Magakaleo. She then played vampire co-revolutionary leader Imelda Fontanilla in the supernatural thriller series Immortal. She played one of the main roles in Precious Hearts Romance's Presence, Alina as Aida Natividad, Mayra Fuentes returning later on in the series. In 2016, Prieto returned to GMA Network and had a part in the teleserio My Mama. Radio Ventures. Aside from being an actress, she was a radio presenter at the DZMM Teleradio program Kadi, together with Bobby Yan, which also aired on DZMM 630 simultaneously. Personal life. On March 26, 2010, Prieto's mother Amelia Falcon died at age 54 from ovarian cancer. Prieto has a paternal younger half-sister who lives in Norway, as well as a maternal older half-brother and 3 more younger half-siblings from her stepfather. In 2015, Prieto became engaged to American molecular biologist Frank Schatkowski. The couple married a year later. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.